I'm Dr. Rashmi Shetty, a dermatologist having practices in Bombay, Hyderabad and Chennai. We'll today talk about face contouring. Contour is shape of the face and all of us are bothered, right? Especially we as Indians have a chubbier lower face, and as we keep going older, the lower face gets even more bigger and chubbier and the jawline is not sharp anymore. So that bothers us a lot. And the other common complaint that I keep getting is I look too tired. And why that happens is because, again, the contour or the shape of the face is changing as you grow old. All the tissue is beginning to come down. Deeper fat pads are beginning to melt away or regress, and your bone itself is changing as you age and in general becoming smaller. So what happens then? All the tissue that is on top, your fat, your muscle, your skin, will start sagging downwards, isn't it? Because the framework is now getting smaller. So how do we then work on and correct it? No creams and magic potions are going to help you when it comes to contour. You need to meet your doctor to understand what can be done. So each of these structures that I was mentioning to you about have various ways of making them either reverse the age or tighten it or change the shape, even if you're a younger girl with a chubby shape which you don't like. So the first thing I really like is to work on your skin to tighten it. If you're slightly more mature, skin to lift it. There is fat under the skin which can be melted with various equipments and injections that you need to sit down and speak with your doctor. A very common popular thing that we do is focused ultrasound that lifts your skin and takes away the excess fat here. So it gives you that slightly V shape that you really like your face to be. And what happens from the top is, as I said, deep fat begins to go. So under eye hollows start happening where the tissue melts here and comes like this, and you look very tired no matter how happy and well slept you are. So that's when you end up doing a little of a filler here to get back the past glory of a nice cheek and a nice cheekbone. Remember, please don't do it excess, because then you end up walking like this with two apples, which look really bad. So it's very important that you go to a doctor who's very well experienced and who has a specialized aesthetic practice, who can judge, who can see what looks good on you, who can tell you at the end of it, it's not that your shape looks weak, but that needs to look good on you. It's not just you have a prettier lips, but that should look good on the whole face. So therefore, go with someone with a keen artistic eye. So if you like what you saw and heard, subscribe to us on this channel, as well as share it with all your friends.